Yo, what's up guys, True here with another video. In today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys the settings I use for my heat press. On my last video, I showed you guys a cool website where you guys can buy Plastisol heat transfer one color paper for only 15 cents. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys my settings, and this is going to depend on what heat press you have, but this actual setting might actually help you guys out because I know there's times when you guys try to wash your shirt with the heat transfer Plastisol ink. There's like a little bit of bubbles when you start drying it, or when you wash it you can see like little bubbles on the ink. So I'm gonna show you guys my settings and hopefully this helps you guys out. So these are my settings. The temperature is at 370 with 10 seconds, and I was tinkering with the settings. I actually went to 360 and I still had a little bit of bubbles when I washed my shirt, but once I bumped it up to 370, the shirts are staying nice, and when you wash it and dry it, they still look the same. So the first thing you guys want to do is actually preheat the shirt, and I advise you guys to buy a lint roller because this is going to help you guys a lot. If you have lint around, just go ahead and clean that up. So we're gonna put the heat press down for 3 seconds. If you want to be safe, you can do 4. So we're gonna push it down with no pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and lift that up. Now that the shirt is pre-pressed, all the moist and all that stuff on the shirt is gonna help you out when you put the design. So once you put the design, then you can put pressure on it. So I got my design right here, and we're gonna lay this flat. Make sure it's nice and straight. You don't want it to be all over the place. Be nice and straight. Let's see, thumbs, a little bit to the left. This is what I like to do, is put my fingers like that and see if it's nice and straight. Okay, that looks good to me. Check the side. Cool. Now that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the heat press down with pressure. All right, go ahead and lift it up. Now, grab the shirt, pull it out, check out the design, and you're all set. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up all my t-shirt press. So I know on the website it says that you have to put it at 325 Fahrenheit and 7 seconds, but for me this setting is working really good. I did do one actual test with 325 Fahrenheit and 7 seconds, and the ink on it had like a bunch of bubbles when I washed it. So I was like, you know what, maybe I had to up my temperature. So I did another hit with 350, and still the same thing. There's like small little air bubbles around the ink. So I was like, okay, so if there's a little bit less, so let's bump it up to 370. So I bumped it up to 370, and I bumped up the time to 10 seconds, and the Plastisol ink stays on the shirt, and it actually feels really smooth. So my suggestion as well, and this is a tip for myself and it's gonna help you as well, but once you finish pressing the shirts with your design, make sure you guys put it on a flat surface. It can be on a chair with the shirt hanging on a with the design flat, or you can put it on a table flat. The reason why you want to put it flat is because you need the shirt to cool down and you need the Plastisol ink to cool down flat because if you have it crumpled up, the design can get messed up, it can crack, it can stretch, and you don't want that because that's just a Plastisol transfer paper wasted. So what you want to do is make sure that that shirt's flat. Let it sit, I want to say 5, or if you want to be safe, 10 minutes. Let it cool down, and then once it's done, then you can, you know, either wear it or package it, and you're gonna be solid. I found this setting to be the best setting that's working for me, and hopefully it works for you. I did at least 5 to 6 tries to find out that, you know, that sweet spot for it not to, you know, bubble up when you wash it. But try this setting out and let me know in the comments down below if it's working for you. My suggestion is test it yourself first. So put your press to 370 degrees Fahrenheit and set it to 10 seconds. Grab your shirt, put your design, press it, let it cool down for 10 minutes. Make sure that shirt is flat with the design facing you, not facing towards the table, facing you. And then once that's done, go ahead and throw it on the washer, wash it. Make sure it's flipped inside out. You don't want the design on the washer because when it's spinning, it can damage the design. So go ahead and put it inside out. Once you grab it, or once it's done washing, grab it, check the design, see if there's any air bubbles. If not, then you can machine dry it and let me know if it's working for you guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave a like, go ahead and subscribe, and comment down below if these settings are working for you. Let me know because I've been messing with the settings, and I'm being honest, I found these settings to be the best one. So if you guys are just, you know, stuck or can't figure it out, try this setting out. Comment down below, let me know. Or if you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram or Snapchat. But like always, I'll see you guys on the next video. Later guys.